Nei, bro. See, we're in Orua Bay. Apparently one of the first stops for the 2 sheets that you're doing a bit of rangahau on, bro.
Tātāhua. Pai, and some of the kōrero that we've revealed in this particular kaupapa is that there were 3 rangatira that signed the Manukau Kawhia sheets here March the 20th, a ki taku mōhio.
Hei tāpuri atu ki tō kōrero too, bro. One of the signatories that they were chasing after, and one of the reasons why they came down this way, was to get that of Te Wherowhero, who later became the Māori king, the first Māori king. But he wasn't keen, so they scratched their one. But hey, this is just the first stop, brother. Thanks for scooping me up earlier. I'm looking forward to this little journey that you're going to take me on, bro.
Me too, brother, me too.
Yeah, if it's anything like my fishing, I'm sure it'll be great.
Yes, and I was looking forward to a bit of ika. But anyway, from here, we'll head through to Port Waikato. Hopefully we can pick up some fish and chips there. If not, I heard Kawhia is the spot. So
Kia ora.
that's us, ho. Let's hit the road.
Maybe you find your mate.